No grave immediate threat here. Is that Justin Hammer?
Okay, give me a left twist. Left.
Okay, what you just saw, that was AI. That was not me on set. That was not a Hollywood production. That was just a face, a photo, and a tool called Edimakor. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this yourself. Swap your face into any movie scene and even make it speak the dialogue with perfect lip sync. Let's get into it. So the tool we are using today is called Edimakor. It's a full AI powered video editor, but what makes it special is its AI features. Face swap, lip sync, AI, avatar, video translation, it's got everything packed in one place. And the best part, you can test all of this for free. Link is in the first line of the description. Go download it right now while you watch. Alright, let's open it up. Step 1, dashboard. So this is the Edimakor dashboard. When you first open it, you'll be asked to log in. You can use your email or just sign in with Google. Takes about 10 seconds. Once you are in, you'll see all the AI tools right here on the home screen. AI, avatar, face swap, watermark remover, AI video, it's all here. Let's click on face swap. Step 1, photo face swap. Inside face swap, you'll see two options at the top, video and photo. We are going to start with photo face swap. This is where you take a still image from a movie and place a face into it. I'm uploading a still from the Titanic movie, the famous Jack scene. Just drag and drop or click import files. The image loads instantly. Now in step 2 down here, this is where you upload the replacement face. Click the plus button and upload any photo with a clear front facing face. Now hit facial recognition. Watch this, the AI instantly detects the face in the image, draws a box around it and maps it out. Then you just click start face swapping. And there it is. The face is now completely swapped into the Titanic scene. Look at how natural that looks. The skin tone, the lighting, the hair, Edimakor's AI is matching everything automatically. Honestly impressive for just a few clicks. Step 2, video face swap. Okay, but that was just a photo. Now let me show you something even more powerful. Video face swap. This is where it gets crazy. Switch to the video tab. I am uploading a clip from Iron Man this time. Any movie scene, any video, it works. Now watch what happens when I click facial recognition on a full video scene. Look at that. It detected every single face in the entire clip. Every background character, every extra, all identified automatically. This is how powerful Edimakor's AI engine is. You can swap up to 20 faces at once in a single video. But I only want to swap the main character, so I just click to select the face I want done. Hit confirm. Then assign the replacement face and click start face swapping. And there you go, the face is swapped into the full video. It tracks the face across every frame, even with movement. Now, let me show you couple more examples I already generated.
Well, they have some of the coldest winters around. I grew up there near Chippewa Falls.
Step 3, AI avatar lip sync. Okay, now this is the part I've been waiting to show you. We swapped the face, but what if you could also make that face talk with the exact movie dialogue with perfect lip sync? That's what the AI avatar feature does. Let me walk you through it. Inside AI avatar, the first thing you choose is your model. Select dupe avatar. This is the model that creates lip synced avatar videos from your face. Step 2 is the voice. You can either type text, import an audio file, or record your voice live. I'm importing the original Titanic movie dialogue audio, so the face will speak the actual movie lines. Now, step 3 is where you set the face. Click the custom avatar upload button, the first icon in the grid. This opens the custom avatar panel. And look, Edimakor even shows you exactly what kind of photo works best. Clear front facing face, good lighting. I'm uploading the face swapped photo. We just created the Titanic result, so now it's going to make that face speak the dialogue. Hit confirm. It processes for a few seconds, creating your custom avatar. Once it's ready, you'll see it appear under the Mind tab. There it is. Now just click generate. Look at that lip sync. The face is moving with the audio naturally, realistically. This is not a deepfake lab. This is not Hollywood VFX. This is just Edimakor, and anyone can do this. Export. When you're done, drag it to the timeline. Hit export up top. Choose your format, resolution and quality settings. So that's it. 3 steps. 1 tool, 0 Hollywood budget. Face swap into any photo scene. Face swap into any video. And add perfect lip sync so the character actually speaks. If you want to try this yourself, and I genuinely think you should download Edimakor AI Face Swap now and test all AI models for free. The link is in the first line of the description below. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.